The difficulty with newly planted orchards is that they often have bare ground because the soil has been cultivated, and so what this means is they're very poor in ecological diversity, and this also then means that there are very few natural insect, natural enemies in the crop, in the newly planted crop, that predate on our pests. So within the AHDB project, what we're aiming to do is to speed up the ecology of the orchard, and the ways that we're doing this is by bringing in studies from AHDB projects but also other industry funded projects into one big programme. Now the first thing that we're doing is we're providing the orchard early on with semiochemicals, and these are released from sachets, and they entice hoverflies into the orchard, with the idea being that hoverflies then lay eggs in aphid colonies and the larvae feed on the aphid colonies. The second thing we're doing is we've developed a prototype earwig refuge which fits into the tree, and what this means is the earwigs hide in the refuge in the daytime, but at night they come out and they forage directly on the tree initially, again feeding on any pests on the foliage of the tree. Then finally we're also putting in floral alleyways into the orchards. So here we're looking at a mixture of different plant species which provide pollen and nectar both for our insect natural enemies like parasitoids and lacewings and hoverflies, and of course we're also getting the benefit of enticing other pollinators into the orchard, but this also creates structure which allows other natural enemies such as ground beetles and orb-weaving spiders to come into the orchard. So eventually we end up with an orchard which is established much quicker and where the natural enemies get into the orchard much earlier.